The popcorn chicken is very crispy, and actually, most of the time, it has nothing to do with popcorn. The versions of the recipe are many. Some make it with sweet potato starch. Others make a double frying. As for me, I use tapioca pearls that will make the pieces of chicken very crispy. Previously, soak 100 grams of tapioca pearls for 3 hours. Cut 2 chicken thighs with their skin in 2 pieces. Put them in a mixing bowl. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon, then put it with the chicken. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of fine spice powder, a good pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of chosen cooking wine, 1 egg white, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Combine all together. Drain the tapioca pearls. Also put them in the mixing bowl. Mix all. Detach the basil leaves from their stems. Mix in a small bowl 1/2 teaspoon of salt with 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Preheat the oil to 350 degrees. Put the chicken piece by piece. Fry the whole in 2 portions to maintain the temperature. Leave them to brown for 6 minutes. Flip them from time to time. Remove them and let them drain. Now put on low heat. Fry the basil leaves for about 30 seconds. As soon as the transparent green spots appear on the leaves, remove them. Put the chicken pieces on the plate. Sprinkle with the salt and pepper mixture and the basil leaves. Enjoy them when they are hot and crispy. Bon appétit! The popcorn chicken is very crispy. We can smell the fine spice powder. It is delicious. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.